channel. If you're new here, my name is Dani, and this is Coffee Break with Dani, where we use humor to cope with not the funnest things in life. The fun things in life? You know what I'm trying to say. I decided to wear a white tank top today because I was weighing the odds, and I'm under the scientific assumption that wearing white will make me look tan. And given the fact that I've been under lockdown for at least 3 weeks when you see this, I need all the help I can get. My friend April Athena posted a story the other day on her Instagram where she was self-tanning and she forgot like the biggest area to self-tan, and she was laughing so hard. That's the kind of energy I need in my life right now, you know? That is the kind, right, Sophia? That's the kind of energy we need. All right, let's show them your tan. Let's show them your tan. You ready? Show them your tan. Oh, look at that. Look at those curls. Oh, you make me want to get bangs. Look at those bangs. Can I help you? Say hi to your friends. It wouldn't be an intro without the Sophie LaRue. Oh, you're so pretty. My goodness. Oh my goodness. You need a bath so we can make your hair fluffy again. So what do you want to tell your friends? Do you want to show them your quarantine glam? You're so squirrely. My goodness. Can you not be so... Oh, couldn't you just get my grace? Why couldn't you just get your mama's grace? All right, say hi to your friends. What do you want to tell them? How do you get glam for the quarantine? Just like glam. Permanent state of glam. I love you. Anyway, the point of sharing that anecdote of my friend was, this is kind of what's going on right now. I don't know what your particular situation is when you're watching this video, but for us, it's been, we have all 4 kids at home. I'm having to teach 2 different curriculums, also keep up with this and with home and cooking dinner and laundry and all the house chores and things like that. So it's kind of one of those things where whether you like it or not, whether you accept it or not, everything is getting touched by the COVID-19, by the Rona. And so I was gonna do a chit chat, get ready with me for you guys and put on some makeup, but makeup hasn't touched my face in at least 3 weeks. I would say maybe 5. And so let's keep it real. This is my Corona glam, and I thought what better opportunity to talk about what's going on with my skincare than now when I'm paying the most attention to it. So right now, my primary focus has been taking care of my hair, which is why it's so long. I don't know if you've noticed, but my primary focus has been taking care of my hair and taking care of my skin. Right now, my skin is like, yeah, I'm breathing, I'm living my best life, and nothing is touching this face. And so it's really enjoying itself, and I wanted to share what my Corona Glam routine is, AKA my daytime skincare routine. So I'm gonna share that with you guys. This is genuinely 100% what I've been doing, why my face looks like this, and I have medium... Who says medium to dry skin? Like what does that even mean? I have normal to dry skin, but I think the dryness comes from dehydration and over exfoliation. Listen, I'm putting myself on blast right now, okay? I forgot, I just realized when I said over exfoliation, I forgot to bring one of the items, so I'll show you in a second. So this is what I do to my face. This is all I've been doing. No makeup has been touching my face. Why is this introduction so long? Let me just get into it. I regularly wash my face, or rather, I wash my face 2 times a day, in the morning when I wake up and at night when I take a shower. The cleanser that I've been loving and using, and you can tell it's nice and skinny, is the OLEHENRIKSEN Truth Juice Daily Cleanser, Orange Fruit Water, and PHA. I don't know what any of that means, but it's actually a really nice cleanser. I've been really enjoying it. This is a big statement, y'all. I am tempted to say that it has, in fact, successfully replaced my Philosophy Purity Made Simple cleanser. Now here's the thing. I quit Philosophy, my holy grail cleanser of like 7 years, and then all of a sudden it goes cruelty free. Like, who does that? That's kind of like when you're chasing a guy for a couple of years and you're like, I see his potential. And then you break up and he meets somebody and all of that stuff you wanted him to change, he changes for that one person. That's literally what philosophy did to me. But you know what? That's okay, because I found Ula and he's been loving me really greatly. So I use this twice a day, in the morning when I wake up and at night in the shower when I wash my face. And I use it in combination with something I'm about to show you, but if you have sensitive skin, I would not recommend you use this, okay? Got it? I wanted to say that like a disclaimer before I get into it and I show it to you and get all excited and bright-eyed and bushy-tailed and I'm like, not for you, homie. So I use it with the Up&Up facial buffs. This is what the packaging looks like. They're from Target. They look like this. They look a lot more aggressive and abrasive than they actually are. They're very gentle, but they are an exfoliator. They're a physical exfoliator. If you have dry or sensitive skin, I would not recommend these, and I only use them every other day. Wouldn't recommend using them every single day all the time. However, if you do have skin that could take it, I don't see the harm, but I personally don't. After I cleanse, I go in with a tonic or a agua refrescante, if you speak Spanish. These are the toner pads from First Aid Beauty. I get the big giant size. I try to wait for them to go on sale, but they are definitely worth the price. These are a 3-in-1. They exfoliate, tone, and brighten at the same time. They are good for sensitive skin, but I would not recommend sensitive skin havers to use them every day. I do use them every day. It is my toner, and they are not as abrasive as these pads. However, they are a chemical exfoliator. They are brightening pads. They don't burn, they're not uncomfortable, they're super easy to use, and I really like them. I tend to get mine from Ulta because they do have special promotion on First Aid Beauty pretty often. After I tone, I go in with an eye serum, and my favorite eye serum, or rather, I think the only eye serum I've used is from Drunk Elephant, and this is the Shaba Complex Eye Serum with copper peptides. This is what the little container looks like, and I just take the littlest drop of it, and I go in on my under eyes and then around my orbital bone, and I let that kind of sink in. As I do that, I go in with a serum, but I do kind of like a cocktail or a blend. The current serum that I've been using, I would say going on 3 months now, is the OLEHENRIKSEN Glow Cycle Retin-ALT Power Serum. This is a serum with alpha hydroxy acids. I think it's probably the #1 reason why my face has been so glowy and so radiant. But what I do is I go in with the BRIOGEO Be Well tea tree oil, and I mix 1 drop of this into this, and I apply that all over my face with the exception of my eyes because we already went in with this serum. And so these mixed together, there's a couple of reasons. I love this one because it does have the AHAs. It is a very, very glowy, brightening serum. You can see, I love that it is a lavender shade because it does help with the sallowness of your face. If you notice your face is looking drab, kind of dull or gray, almost somber, anything with a light lavender tint to it really brightens it up. And so I love that about this. The reason that I go in with the tea tree oil is because, I don't know if you can tell, my face isn't very forgiving when I have a breakout. It automatically has pigment to it, and so it's very hard for me to get rid of it. So if I can prevent a breakout from happening from the outside in, I'm gonna do my best. From the inside out, that's more of what I eat and how I'm feeling, so that's all on me. That's in my control, you know? But if I can stack the deck and control it from the outside in with something like tea tree oil, I'm gonna do it. And so this is a really great antiseptic that will keep all that yucky bacteria at bay. So if you are gonna have a breakout because your face is dirty, this is gonna help you with that. All right. After that, we're gonna go in with an eye cream or the eye moisturizer, and that is the OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Cream. This stuff is awesome. I love it because it doesn't pill under makeup. It gets along with all my primers. It's very easy to use. I love that it helps me with my dark under eyes. It's helped me pretty much camouflage, get rid of, or assist in the blurriness of my panda eyes. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm a little dehydrated right now. I probably shouldn't be drinking all this sweet tea, but it's definitely helped with that. And I just love the viscosity of it. It's very lightweight. It's almost like a creamy gel, and it absorbs really nicely. And then the last and final product is our moisturizer. I have been home in these four walls for almost a month. So sunscreen hasn't been at the top of my list. Do we go out for walks? Absolutely. Do we go on scavenger hunts? Absolutely. Do we play baseball out front and football and throw the ball and all that stuff? Yes, 100%. I will use sunscreen. However, I'm pretty organized and I know what I have to expect for that day. So I haven't been using it as much as I did when we weren't on lockdown. So the two products that I use are the OLEHENRIKSEN Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Told you guys, gel cream. I love that hybrid. It's so nice and comforting to use. It's like very emollient without the heavy greasiness. Or the Josh Rosebrook Nutrient Day Cream High Protection Moisturizer. That's what that looks like. I bought recently, and I showed it to you guys in a haul, a sunscreen from, oh my gosh, I don't remember the name. How terrible is that? I've been obsessed with that brand recently too. Completely slipped my mind. Anyway, I hauled it recently and I told you guys I would update you. It was not my favorite. I didn't like it. It was a mattifying sunscreen, but I mean mattifying, it was like, you know when a product makes your face really tight and like you can't move it? That's literally what that sunscreen felt like. It was awful. I wish I had kept the box so I could return it because it wasn't cheap. Anyway, so if I'm just gonna be home, we're just gonna be doing our daily lessons. I go in with the gel cream from OLEHENRIKSEN. It is so light, you guys. Plus it looks delicious. I wish it didn't come in a tub. I wish I didn't have to put my finger in it, you know? And then if I am gonna go out, I'll skip that one because I don't like to put that much stuff on my face, believe it or not. I'll go in with just the sunscreen, which is this one. And this is a non-toxic green beauty product. I've been moving more in the clean direction. Am I going completely green? No, probably not. But I am trying my best to stay cruelty-free and implement or include or add more non-toxic greener beauty products into my routine. But anyway, I wanted to keep it 100 with you guys. I wanted to keep it 100% legit with what's going on right now. I'm not putting on makeup. If I do any more videos for you guys, they're gonna be like this because this is what's going on right now. I don't put on makeup to feel better. I like how my skin looks because this is what God gave me. I like to put on makeup to go somewhere or to, if I know I'm gonna do something special, or I know I wanna take a picture with a friend of mine, or Parker and I are gonna be doing something exciting. Like that's what I look forward to putting on makeup. But I don't put it on to feel better. That doesn't make me feel better. It feels like a chore, you guys. So this is what's going on right now. So I thought I would update you guys on my current skincare. If you guys have skin like mine, where it's normal to dry when it's pissed off at you or normal to oily when it's really happy with you, then these are products that you're gonna love and will really work for you. I will list and link them all in the description box below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions in the comment section below. But other than that, I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.